Eating Vegan with Tommy. And as you know, we're eating vegan, but we're doing it my way. Let's get started.
Stay tuned for the full recipe at the end. Today, we're making easy vegan guacamole. First, you need to start by preparing the ingredients and grabbing the avocados. I briefly show you some of the ingredients I plan on using for the guac. Then I basically go right into cutting open the avocado and taking out that avocado seed and pulling out the little piece at the back. And as you scoop out the contents inside, I then begin mashing the guacamole in the bowl. And you can see there at the top there that I start showing you the ingredients because you don't want to forget about those. So you want to put in the diced tomatoes, the walnuts, the red onions, and coriander. Right, and you definitely don't want to forget about the limes because you got to have that good lime juice that you want to include in there. And now at this point, you're just tasting the guac to make sure that you don't need to add any additional salt. Everything is looking good there. So there you go. Another recipe down and another recipe I'll post. This is episode 3, Eating Vegan with Tommy. Hopefully you had a great experience. If you have any recipes that you may want me to try, send a comment or DM me. I have more information up, so you can go ahead and send me some of your great recipes so then we can showcase your recipes and recipe book. And you can send some of your information so we can post it up and people can follow and see also your recipe book. In the meantime, I'll just keep on making these recipes that I know, and I also have some people that I do have recipes that I've used, and I'll definitely support them and just showcase them as well and their information. I'm about highlighting great tasting, easy making vegan meals. So hopefully you're enjoying and having a great time watching this. I look forward to seeing you again. And this is Eating Vegan with Tommy.